Academy is part of an athlete-centric ecosystem with its coaching philosophy firmly rooted in a long-term athlete development framework. We aim to equip student athletes with necessary skill sets in 4 key critical success factors, that is physical, technical, tactical, and mental, to help them achieve sporting excellence. Furthermore, as a Singapore Bowling Federation's endorsed Centre of Excellence, the coaching curriculum is aligned with the national program, offering each of them the unique opportunity to advance through the national development pyramid.
We use state-of-the-art technology that cannot be found in other places to support our training. We have 3 distinct lane surfaces as well as a Kaggle Flex oiling machine to prepare student athletes for any situation during competitions. Our bowling centre is also equipped with 3 ball spinners which help to sand or shine the ball according to what fits the oiling pattern. Technology like Specto and Torch also help to improve the quality of training sessions by improving their accuracy and alignment of shot making.
For me, training in Sports School's Bowling Academy is nothing short of world class. From the facilities all the way to the systems in place, no student athlete will lose out on the experience of being a professional athlete and student simultaneously. In the Bowling Academy, we are given many opportunities to travel overseas with lots of subsidies and competition sponsorships from the school itself.
I was in sports school from 2012 to 2015 and I learned and developed a lot those few years. Prior to that, I was coached in the sports school under the Junior Sports Academy program. I was taught the fundamentals of bowling and it shaped the way I bowl today. I've been in the national team ever since I joined the Bowling Academy. I am grateful that I had immense support in the school. The general manager planned my schedule, liaised with Singapore Bowling Federation, and worked with me to ensure that I could focus on my development in bowling. The culture was unique. My teammates and coaches felt like family to me. If I were to pick a secondary school again, I would still pick sports school. It is one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life.